What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. Another live trading session. If you don't know, I do these trades to journal my trades. I also do these trades to help you guys out. So let me get my stuff ready. Make sure my sound coming in. All right. So we had some downside moves overnight. We had a lot of downside moves overnight. Good morning. I hope you guys had a great evening. Market just opened, so y'all know we watching the market. So we did drop down at 580 on SPY. It's a strong level I'm watching. We need to see if we stay up above or below. We also need to watch our pre-market highs, pre-market lows. If our pre-market highs, pre-market lows break, we know we probably gonna be in the downtrend for a minute today. So gonna watch our levels. We're gonna see what we can find, see where the money at today. Mason, what it do? Good morning, good morning. We had a great day yesterday. We hit about 67% on, was that, what the hell we trade yesterday? SPY. We hit 67% on SPY puts yesterday. So let's see what we can find today. Let's see. So if you don't know, I do try to wait about 15, 30 minutes, let the market do what it wants to do before I do jump into a trade. Y'all know we trying to find a trend. We looking for the trend. We want to join the trend and put our money where opportunity is. So I see this Amazon. We're going to the downside on Amazon. And if you guys see any tickers that I don't see moving, we can take a look at it. I don't trade every ticker. I trade a good set of 10 stocks. But I'll let you guys know that in a second. Let me get my chart right quick. So we got a little move toward the downside. Tesla, everybody taking profits. Tesla had a big move overnight. Let's see what happens though. Let's see if SPY loses its levels. What it do, Eric? What it do? Shit. Excuse me. What it do, Eric? Good morning. Good morning. So let's see what stocks want to do today. Look like we're going toward the downside here early. And if you see me looking around, y'all know I'm looking at different screens I got pulled up so we can take the best trades. We trying to take A plus setups, baby. Y'all know how we do. So SPY is getting under that 578 level. That 578 level is a weekly level. That's a strong weekly level. So yesterday, market dropped off yesterday. I don't know if y'all caught any of that. I did catch a little bit of that. I ain't gonna lie. I actually seen it when it started up here somewhere, but I got in a little around here. I kind of got in like three, 4 times. I got some money out of it, but when the market moving like that, you just got to jump in, man. You just got to jump in sometimes. Find a stop, jump in. You just got to be able to react to the market. But yeah, so when the market does make big moves overnight. Sometimes the next day will be real choppy because we already made the big move. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Maxo? What it do? Good morning. Tesla got a gap fill downside. All right. When Trump was talking yesterday. I think they had some kind of meeting, and then after the meeting, he started answering questions, and then basically he was saying, "Yeah, the tariffs, March 4th, the tariffs is still intact. So basically, they're not going away with it. So today is supposed to be the day that the tariffs supposed to start. So if they just got to watch the news, man, you just got to watch the news. If they find something to push the tariffs a later date, stocks probably won't drop as much. But yeah, that was that tariff news yesterday. He was just basically saying the shit is still gonna happen, and that's when everybody panicked, started selling yesterday. But we ain't worried about none of that. You know, you gotta keep an eye out for it. We still want to watch the charts. The chart's gonna tell you everything you need to know. We're here to make money, not to talk about news, but just keep an ear to it and just know what the market, how the market is reacting to it. Tonight at 9. Is that Powell? I know Powell got a speech this week. Let me look. I'm gonna look here in a second. So SPY's retesting this 578 right here. If we come down and get back up above SPY, above yesterday's low, we might make a little move up to the upside because it looks like everything is retesting and bouncing towards the upside a little bit. So the bulls are in the market here early. We make money if the stock's going up or if the stock's going down. Morning, let's make some money. All right, Savage. That boy Savage in here. Mason said in the video. Okay. This SPY 580 level is gonna tell us everything. So looks like we'll probably get above it because most of these stocks are really bullish right now. Yeah. So yeah, SPY rejected his lows. Now we're going a little higher. But just because you see green, you don't got to rush into nothing, man. There will be plenty of opportunities, trust me. Especially if we start moving today. That's what we're waiting on. Let's see what happens. See if we get rejected or keep moving up right here. All right. It's 9:38 on the clock. We also want to wait for our ORB levels to break today. That's going to tell us where the trend is. All right, what is the AMD? All right, so you see we rejected the lows. We went down, rejected the lows. Now we're moving up. Now let's see if we can move up and hold these prices. If we come back down in between this range right here, we might have to wait on the chop, but let's see if we can break out of here. It's okay for SPY or QQQ to pull back a little bit, play around for a little bit, let it make its range, and then we'll just take the breakout. Let it play around, let it reject, let it do all that stuff it's gonna do. It's holding that VWAP. All right, so we pulling back. Apple, Amazon. See what happens right here. This has been the market the past couple days. Go up, try to go up, get rejected, and then the bears come in. So let's see what happens right here. That's what's been happening the past couple days. We've been going up, people getting faked out, and then the bears start selling. We start selling off. Everybody just starts selling. That's what we want to see, though. We want to see it play in between that range. Let it range right now, and then we'll catch the breakout. I am on the 2-minute chart. The volatility was pretty high this morning, so we're gonna watch our pullbacks on the 2-minute chart because our pullbacks are probably gonna be a little strong, a little too much to have a stop loss set on a pullback. So let's see what happens right here. Looks like we rejected the highs on that candle right there. Yeah, SPY just rejected that 580. Now let's see if it fully rejects or goes back up and retests. That 580 on SPY. That's what that's the level it needs to get above if we want to be bullish today. That's the level I'm watching at least. He said, look at Baba. All right. I ain't traded Baba. I used to swing the fuck out of Baba. All right. Towards the downside, I see it setting up right now. All them wicks right there. Yeah, Baba finna go toward the downside. It's already past pre-market low. Yeah. So if you trading Baba, I'm not gonna trade it just because it's not one of my main stocks I trade. I usually swing trade stuff like this, but I will wait for it to break the lows, wait for the ORB to break the lows, and then wait for a retest. But it is setting up for puts. You see all those wicks? Yeah, that's a great chart. All right, we getting rejected. This is what I like to see, though. I like to see a little range. I don't want to see no early breakout. Let it go ahead and range for a little bit. We already rejected the highs. So we just need SPY if we want to go for puts, because that's what it looked like we set up for puts. We want it to stay right below this 580. Let's see if we break this low right here. Might bounce a little bit. Oh, it's pushing through. Let's see what happens. It's 9:43 on the clock, guys. That was a fake out. That all that green you seen, that was a fake out. Now let's see if we go down here and stay below. If we stay below, they're in trouble. You already know they're in trouble. Yeah. All right. What is it, 9:43? All right, so we got under that weekly level at 578. We got under that weekly level. Now we stay under 578. We might go back up and retest. Look like that's what it's doing right now. It's retesting that 9 EMA right there. So if we retest and come back toward the downside, we know we probably gonna be a little bearish for a little while this morning. Because you see how it keeps going up, getting rejected. Let's see what everything else is doing. It's 9:44 on the clock. Yeah, everything is kind of doing the same thing. Went up, came back down in the range. I see Apple kind of trying to break out a little bit. It's 9:45 on the clock. Let's check our ORB levels. All right, I like SPY towards the downside. QQQ towards the downside if we can get a push back below this ORB. We're sitting at the mid side of the ORB right now on QQQ. I'll let you guys know when I take a trade. Trust me. I ain't gonna leave y'all out. I like Meta towards the downside a little bit. Apple towards the upside if we move back up. Let me get this Meta on here. What is that? Apple. Apple and Nvidia towards the upside. All right, yeah, I like this Nvidia right here. SPY still getting weak though. Let's see what happens on SPY. Only reason, guys, I watch SPY and QQQ basically gonna tell you the majority of the market movement. It's gonna tell you where the market is moving, basically. 200 way up there. Got Microsoft towards the upside, looking all right. But we're still sitting in the range though. See that? We're still sitting in that 15-minute range. So we want to wait, see if we can break that range. Either the top or the bottom side will tell us where the trend is going to start. And if you guys do know stocks, everything is not 100%. Everything is not 100%. You just got to trust your levels and trust your indicators. And if we do sit in the range all day, we just won't take a trade. You know what I'm saying? We just won't take a trade. But I like this right here. Let's see if we can break. What is that? Nvidia. Microsoft strong despite others down. Yeah. I like that Microsoft and Nvidia, but I don't like how SPY isn't figuring out what it wants to do. See how SPY keep getting wicked right here? A lot of indecisive in the market. Just going up and down. That's all we're doing, going up and down in that range. AMD, ABGO, yeah, everything's sitting in the range, man. I feel like SPY's gonna reject right here though. I feel like SPY's gonna reject right here because it keeps retesting, getting wicked. It's gonna reject and feel like it's gonna make a move down. Let's see. We're going right back under that weekly level again. Tesla moving down. All right, there we go. Excuse me. See what happens right here. Yeah, I like that Tesla. See if we can get a retest right here on Tesla. Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't know if I'm getting another cold or what. I like SPY and Tesla, guys. SPY and Tesla. SPY and Tesla. Puts. That's what I'm watching. See if we can get a retest. I'm gonna load up SPY. Volatility is in the market, man. These contracts are high. I like this Tesla. See if we can wait on a retest. SPY going back in range. Tesla 270. All right, I'm gonna go a little out of the money. I'm gonna go Tesla 250 puts. Tesla 250 puts. See if we can get some momentum right here. Tesla 250 puts, I do got it loaded. I will take an entry, a light entry here in a second. Let me see what happens here. Give me 1 second. Yeah, we playing around a little bit. All right. I'm gonna take my first ad on Tesla, my first entry on Tesla. First entry on Tesla. Stop loss above pre-market high. If we get stopped out, hey, we just fucking get stopped out. We playing our setup. It broke the ORB. Just taking a first entry right here. Tesla puts. SPY moving. Tesla ain't moving. But we stand below ORB. I like that. We might retest a little bit more. But hopefully we flush here in a second. Yeah, we'll retest. I move my stop up here. At this 9 EMA is sitting right above the pre-market low. But that pre-market low is a good level. We shouldn't go back up if we're gonna be bearish today. Like I said, the volume isn't all the way there yet. Let's see. Probably gonna pull back a little bit. Everything else is kind of choppy. I ain't gonna lie. I'm kind of trading the only stock that I really didn't see and broke the ORB. So don't be surprised if we go back up a little bit. Let's see if we get wick right here. I'm only down 8%. $9:55 on the clock. All right, we rejecting. That's a wick right there. That was the retest. Hopefully we can flush right here. 15 seconds on this candle. Only down 8% right now. Tesla puts. We need to reject right here. Look at SPY over there. Going back up, playing around. This is why I only take one first light entry. And my light entry is less than 10 contracts. I mean, less than 5 contracts, my bad. Always average in. Don't ever put everything in first. I'm only taking a light entry. So if I do take a L, it ain't going to be a big L. We'll just exit. Got another wick. SPY rejecting. Tesla's a reject right now. Tesla's definitely reject right now. Still holding. Let's see. 36 seconds on this candle. Down 7% right now. If we pass this counter right here, we should drop off. We got big wicks on SPY. That's under ORB. We still sitting at ORB. Let's see if we push off right here. All right, we pushing off a little bit. Let's see if we break the lows. Need to break these lows. We need this volume candle to get bigger than this green candle just was. We're only down 2% right now. If you're afraid, you can exit. But we're only down 2% right now. Now we're sitting at break even. We need to break these lows. If we break these lows, we're going to go crazy. There we go. We up 2%. There we go. 3%. Now 58 on the clock, guys. We need SPY to lose this right here. Tesla to lose this right here. We up 5% right now. There we go right there. See if we can get some more. There we go. There we go. There's the move. Take y'all money. Damn, why we ain't moving? What the fuck? I'm only at 10% right now. I'm only at 10% right now. There we go. There we go. Let's push. Let's push. Come on. 11%. There we go. There we go. All right, we at 13%. I'm gonna take a trim right here. There we go. Let's push down. We still holding, guys. We still holding. We up 17% right now. Tesla puts. I'm gonna move my stop down under this consolidation right here. Where we consolidated right here, that's why I'm gonna move my stop. I know if we come back up this way, the market's probably gonna turn around. We up 17% right now. 18%. Take y'all money, man. Take your money. Take your money. Sitting at 17%. We very weak. We already went up and retested the highs, so I really feel like we can make a good move down. But still, take your money. We're gonna trail our stop. My stop loss is right here under this candle right here. That's where my new stop loss is. We come back up this way, I will exit. I will exit, get out, keep the trade green. We're sitting at 13% right now. This is a strong level on SPY. This bounce level right here. We might bounce. That's why I said take your money out. That's why I already took a trim. We're still up 3% right now. We need SPY to lose this level of 574 right here. You see, I like that. I like that volume right there. Still sitting at 11% on runners. Let's see what happens right here. Might pull back. All right, I'm gonna move to the 5-minute chart, guys. Move to the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. Stop loss still under this right here. We still up 14%. Take your money if you up, man. Take some money. Make sure y'all take some profits. Don't leave all your money in, man. Take some profits. Moving to the 5-minute chart. We still up 18% right now. There we go. Let's drop down some more. Let's see if we can get some more. There we go. There we go. Let's go. 20%. All right, I'm gonna take one more trim. One light trim. All right, now I'm definitely on runners now. Now let's hold this shit, see what we can get out of it. Move my stop is right here. Under this candle right here. There we go, guys. Let's go. Damn, why these contracts ain't moving? All right, 25%. The hell? $27%. We might bounce right here. Take y'all money, I'm telling you. If SPY crash through this weekly level, boy, it's gonna be dangerous. We up 25% right now on Tesla puts. I'm gonna move my stop down to the top of this candle right here. I'll just keep trailing this. Still up 19%. It could be a bounce level right there, not gonna lie. Probably should have took my damn 25%. I feel like we can be weak though, way more weaker today. My stop is still under this counter right here. We might bounce back, play around right here. We got no other movements really, but Tesla and SPY kind of. Stop is still the same, man. Stop is still the same. 267, 77. That's my stop loss. QQQ has gotten under ORB. That's a good sign. There we go. Let's drop off. That was a good hold right there. Back up 20%. We in Tesla push right now. If we drop below this candle, my new stop will be up here where these candles just got rejected at. If we drop down, that will be my new stop. We need to drop below this, the low of day right here. We need to drop below this 263. Haven't moved my stop yet though. Still up 12% right now. Let's see if SPY crashes through this weekly level. If SPY crashes through this weekly level, it's gonna go crazy. Yeah, it's gonna play around a little bit. Probably got a lot of buyers sitting right there at that weekly level. Not gonna lie. But if it crashes, they're all gonna sell. That's where they stop loss at. Most the big investors sit their stop loss at weekly levels. So if we crash through a weekly level, that's why you see if we crash through like a big number, like a 600 or something, like yesterday, and we just went crazy. That's because them long-term investors, that's where they set their stop loss at those weekly levels. That's why I mark them on the chart. Yeah, we pushing down. I don't know why SPY and Tesla not moving with it though. QQQ moving. Yeah, we very bearish right now, man. Not gonna lie. We gotta break these levels. Come on, SPY. We still sitting up at 12% right now. Come on, Tesla. Push past. Push down. There we go. We need to push past this low. Push past this lower day right here. Man, Tesla, come on. We up 15% right now. One minute on this candle. It's 10:09 on the clock. It's one of them trades. We're gonna have to sit in it. Don't want to break down. Let's go. SPY moving. I mean QQQ moving down. Tesla don't want to go. See what level this is on Tesla. Tesla just haven't been this low in a minute. Five seconds on this candle. Oh shit, look at SPY. Bouncing back a little bit. All right, we need to lose this pullback. Here's another pullback on Tesla. But we need to lose this right here. We need to see a wick and lose this previous candle. There goes SPY. QQQ moving. Damn, look like we should have picked SPY today. Tesla don't want to move. Shit. Still up 11%. I don't like that. Come on, Tesla. Tesla usually be the one moving way more than everybody else. Up 13%. Are you kidding me, bruh? Tesla don't want to make the move. SPY moving towards the downside. Tesla ain't moving. Let's go. Stuck in between that 265. But the longer it don't want to go back and keep retesting those levels up ahead, the faster it'll drop. So we just gonna wait. Still up 9% on the runners. Look at this shit right here. It might go back up and retest ORB. I'm down 3% on runners. See if we wick. All right, we wicked off a little bit. We need to push. Yeah, we bouncing back. I'm only a runner. That's why I'm holding it a little bit just to see if we wick. I'm only in runners. One minute on this candle. Let's see what we want to do, man. These them trades you gotta just sit in and keep watching your levels, watching your stop loss. If you get stopped out, you just get stopped out. You know what I'm saying? All right, it's touching my stop. Let's see what happens right here. I need a wick, and we need a wick off. If not, the move might be over with. All right, big rejection. Big rejection. There we go. Come on. Come on, Tesla. We got to get below this 265 right here. Hopefully y'all still holding, man. It's not no reason to get out, man. We still looking good. I don't like that doji right there. That's why this candle needs to break below. Let's see what this candle does. We rejected the 9 EMA. See if we move down right here. We need to lose this pullback candle. That'll make me feel so much better if we lose this pullback candle. I'm back up 6% right now. Should have just took profits right there. 574. Waited for another entry, but we still green though. We need to pass this previous candle right. This is a pullback candle. We need to pass this candle. Back up 10%. This is all this is a lower high. This is a lower high right here. This is just another pullback. That's all that is. All we did was set through the pullback. And let's see if we can push past this right here. If we push past this, we should go crazy. Come on, Tesla. We sitting at 12%. We up 12%. Come on, lose it. Lose it. Tesla don't want to lose it. SPY losing it. There we go. There we go. 13%, 15, 17, 18%. There we go. 19%. 20. We back up 20%, guys. Take y'all money if you green. Take your money. Are you on Thinkorswim? Nah, I'm on TradingView. We back up 19%, man. Take y'all money if you ain't took no trims. I hopped in 0DC 574 puts when we broke and retested 578, sold at 574 support. Oh yeah, he took that money. Good shit. I'm gonna hold a little bit. I know we kind of weak today. I'm gonna hold a little bit. Still up 18%. If we break down below this right here, this pullback, this zone will be my next stop loss. My bad, mine went blank. Still up 17% though. Look at SPY. Ooh, SPY losing it over there. Tesla not even moving with it. That's crazy. QQQ moving. Tesla ain't moving. Delete these damn levels. We up 20% right now. I'm about to jump out. They playing. Come on, Tesla. Give me one push and I'll exit. There we go. Give me one push. I just want to keep this green. 25%. There we go. $27%. Keep pushing, Tesla. Go ahead. There we go. 29%. Yeah. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. 30%. Yeah, it's selling off now. There we go. There we go. 32%. All right, guys, I'm going to take my 32% right there. I'm out. I'm out right there. I took my 32%. Leave that trade green. 32% right there on Tesla puts. Just go close SPY put 63%. Hell yeah, get that money, baby. I just got 32% on Tesla. Hell yeah. I'm out. I'm out of Tesla. Good shit. We could have stayed in a little bit, but we got our money. I'll just watch the charts. I just watch the charts. I'm good. See if we can find us something else. That's 32% on Tesla puts. Could have stayed in a little bit, but want to keep that trade green for y'all. I know if I hold, y'all probably gonna sit there and hold with me. I like to keep that shit green for y'all. We probably gonna get some more, but I just wanted one more little push. Y'all know I like that 20 to 30% range. Damn, I should have gotten SPY puts. Johnny was the goddamn. Johnny should have called that. I wanted to get in SPY puts. I don't know what I seen. I think I seen SPY wasn't moving at first, and then it started moving late. I seen Tesla making the move first. I mean, but it's all good. We still got paid out of it. We still woke up, press a couple buttons, and we still made more than we'll make at a damn regular job. So who the fuck don't like that? You know what I'm saying? Who don't like that? Yeah. What is this? Amazon. So most of these stocks are ranging. SPY, QQQ, Tesla not, but Nvidia, AMD, my dog's fighting. Nvidia, AMD, Microsoft, Meta, most of them are ranging. So most of them that's gonna range, they're probably gonna make a big move, just like yesterday. They made a big move. Look at Tesla still moving. Yesterday they made a big move overnight. I mean, not overnight, in the evening. I mean, not the evening. What time that was? That's about 12, 1, 2. I opened my laptop at 1 o'clock, I think, and I seen that big downside move starting to happen. So y'all gotta just watch the charts, man. Watch the charts. Trump gets to talking and the market gets to moving. And when the market gets to moving, it's time to make some money. And yesterday, this is all I was doing yesterday. I'll show you what I was doing. I didn't really take a setup. That was a nice 32% on Tesla too, you guys. We've been hitting them back to back. Oh, right here. That was a good hold as well. I seen it starting up here. I closed my laptop, opened it back up. It was down here. I was like, oh shit. We done broke that trend line. So I just seen this shit right here. When I seen it, I just was getting in and out. When the candle closed, I get back in on the candle, get the money, get out, get back in. That's how I was playing this yesterday. That shit was giving back like 100% returns off of like one or two contracts. I was just fucking around with it. But when news come out like that, market's moving, you want to catch them trends. We actually got a good trend starting the day on SPY. A good downtrend. Look at that. Yeah, but let's see if we can find us another play. Meta. We're on a 5-minute chart. puts. Ooh, shit. Meta shit high as hell. Damn. Meta in the money contracts are 1,200 a piece. Who finna buy that? Not me. I go a little bit out of the money if I was to take a trade, but oh, I like this Meta. Shit. See what happens right here. SPY moving, but it's not moving like it would on a sell-off day. You know what I'm saying? It ain't moving how I would think it would want to move on a sell-off day. See these volume candles, that green candle right there? They're getting more stronger than the bearish candles. I like this Meta though. Oh, it bounced back. All right. Doji candle getting rejected from his lows. Meta do look good, but I don't know why SPY moving back up, QQQ moving back up. I don't like that. That's why I won't take that trade right now. Might be going back up to retest this weekly level. QQQ might be going back up, retest this 9 EMA. Yeah, most of these stocks ranging today, man. It's a lot of these stocks ranging. So when there's a lot of stocks ranging, you're probably not gonna get a good push off of ORB. But that's why we use ORB. You know what I'm saying? We use the ORB open range breakout 15-minute to look at stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. My bad. Hold up. All right. Yeah. Spot retesting look like good no move on Meta. So yeah, you see the top and the bottom of the ORB, we still consolidated. We're still sitting in between consolidation. You don't want to trade that. Tesla came down. We took a little bit off of there, got 32% right there. That's all we did on Tesla. All I did was wait for the ORB to break. ORB is these two levels, the top and the bottom of a 15-minute candle, go down to the 5-minute, and that's where I make my entries. We came down. I seen we went up, got retested right here, and pushed off. When we pushed off, that's when I got in. We got a little 32%. We stayed on the retest, got 32% right here, and got out. That was a great exit, by the way. Yeah, man, it look like we're going back up and retest. We'll let these stocks retest. But we only took one trade today, 32% on Tesla. That boy Johnny got 63 puts on SPY. I wonder where you got in at. I could have took SPY and Tesla, to be honest. I could have took SPY and Tesla, to be honest, but look like SPY moved way more than Tesla. But it's all good. We still got some money out of it. But good shit though, man. I'll be back tomorrow, 9:30. Y'all know, look at SPY pulling back. Good exit, man. Good exit. I'll be back tomorrow, 9:30 sharp. We're gonna see if we can get us some more money. We got 2 green days on the week. We hit up SPY yesterday, 67%. Today, we hit up Tesla, 32%. We do this every day, 9:30 a.m. I'll be back tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great day. Y'all take it easy.